out.
I can see a little bit. Yep. Man.
I originally started with the wood brace.
Yep.
But it was pushing too much, so I metal that in there. SoundQubed.
Okay.
All the way around. I got two of the HDX 12s. I'm running their Q2200s, one per sub. I get the Q150. It's powering my 6.5s in the back, and then I got 8s up here, the little super tweet like in here.
Yep. Sorry. It's all good.
And then this up here is actually the only thing that's not SoundQubed. That's a PRV.
Okay. So, awesome.
And then Kenwood Deck.
And this is a 6th order?
Yes.
Okay. What made you go with a 6th order versus like a 4th or wall? Yeah.
Because I didn't want to be in the wall class, and this is my everyday daily driver that I use.
Yep.
So I wanted to keep it as versatile as possible without, and plus it being as new as it is, I didn't want to.
It looks really nice too, having the amps above the box. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Is there like a space? You have a space between it. Wow.
Yeah, he put those little rubber, they're like insulators, so that it doesn't.
I've never seen that before. That's awesome. Good job. I like it. Thank you. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Sure.
What you want to hear?
Play something that you know that does like really well on music, like loud.
I just did the PYT, the Michael Jackson. Right now, I'm waiting on my big alt.
Okay.
So
play whatever you want then. That's fine.
I've metered her before. She did a 146.
Okay.
But I'm a little sub, so I don't want to.
Yeah.
I'm babying it right now.
Yes, ma'am. You do what you want to do, ma'am. Okay.
Flatline design.
Yep.
He's affiliated with SoundQubed.
Okay.
Me and my husband did all the builds.
Okay. Awesome.
And that's also hard too.
Awesome. Is he demoing?
Yeah,
okay.
demo for you.
Okay. Can I see the box one more time?
Yeah.
That was really nice. I'll come in 1 second.
It's got lights and everything, but you can't really tell.
I can see a little bit. Yep. Man.
I originally started with the wood brace.
Yep.
But it was pushing too much, so I put the metal back behind there to get a little more.
That is sweet. Looks really good. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.